Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about full adders designing using half adders. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Now first let's design about now first let us discuss about half adders and full adders and their properties. So first, half adders. So this half adders will be having two inputs and two outputs. So the half adder will be having two inputs and two outputs. Let's call these two inputs as A and B. You can use any other alphabets also. Now what will be their output? Their output will be, one will be sum and another one will be C out. What is C out? C out is the carry output. Next, now in full adders there will be two output and three inputs. Two output that are sum and carry output same, but will be having three inputs. First one is A, second one is B and third one is C in. What is C in? C in is the carry input and this one is the carry output. Now let's discuss about the formulas of sum and carry of both half adders and full adders. So the sum formula of half adder is sum is equal to A XOR B. A XOR B for half adders. Next, for carry, what will be the sum? A into B. It will just multiply the two inputs. Now if you look at the full adders equations, first one sum A XOR B XOR C in. A XOR B XOR C in. Next, for carry is equal to AB plus C in into A XOR B. AB plus C in into A XOR B. We detailedly explained what half adders and full adders and their properties in last videos. Those video link will be given in description. You can access them. Now using this half adder and their equations, we will be designing this full adder with their equation. Now to design the full adder using half adder, we will be using two half adders. So this will be the first half adder and this will be the second half adder. So we already discussed half adders will be having two inputs. So the two inputs. Let me call this as half adder number 1, half adder number 2. So let's the two inputs be A and B itself. A and B. Now what will be the sum of the half adder? A XOR B. So we took the same A and B as the input. So we can call it as A XOR B. A XOR B will be given as the input to the half adder. Now we need C in also because we already constructed A XOR B, that is sum is A XOR B we already constructed, but we need XOR C also. So to construct XOR C we cannot add the input to this half adder because in half adders only two inputs are available. So what we will do is we will take from the external, that is C in, and we will just add to the second half adder. We will add to the second half adder. When we add to the second half adder, this will act as the one input, this will act as the second input. So what does the half adder do in the sum? It will just add the XOR gate. It will just add the XOR gate in between both the inputs. So what is my first input? A XOR B. A XOR B. It will add the XOR gate between my two inputs. First input and XOR gate and second input is C in. So now we constructed the sum of the full adders using two half adders. Now we must construct the carry output using the half adder. So what will be the carry output of this first half adder? A and B are given as an input. So what it will be? A into B. A into B. So in the full adder carry output we needed A into B. So we took A into B here. Next we must be doing C in into A XOR B. So how? So this is the one input to the second half adder. A XOR B is the one input to the second half adder. What the half adders does in carry output? They will just multiply the two inputs which we have given. So what is the first input? Let's consider the C in as the first input. So just they will multiply C in into A XOR B. C in into A XOR B. So this is the first input, that is you can consider it as A, and A XOR B as B. They will just multiply C in into A XOR B. So now we constructed C in into A XOR B. But we need to add. Add means we need to use the OR gate. So we will just use the OR gate. So this will be the carry output of full adder. What it became? A into B plus, so OR gate means plus C in into A XOR B. So this is the construction of full adders using half adders. Hope you understood the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.